Всем привет! Hello everyone! Welcome back to Russian for Beginners with Marina. Today we're going to ask how someone close to us is doing and also learn to answer this question in many ways. So, we will be talking about informal situations. Let's start with a question. One simple way of asking how are you is just как ты? Как ты? It literally means how are you? Как means how and ты means you. And since we don't even have am, is, are, we just put the words how and you next to each other. How you? Как ты? Or even ты как? Especially if there was something wrong and we wonder whether things got better or want to know how the person is coping, we'd put the word ты at the beginning. Ты как? Another very common way of saying how are things is как дела? Как дела? Most of the time, we start all the conversations by saying как дела? Next is just a tiny bit extended version of the previous question. Как у тебя дела? We can translate it as how are you doing or how is it going? Although it literally means how are your things? Как у тебя дела? Now let's learn how to answer this question if someone asks you. You might want to choose the appropriate word depending on where you see yourself today on this chart. Are you doing great? Not so great? Is it okayish or simply bad? Now you will learn how to say all these words in Russian. Отлично. Great. Отлично. Хорошо. Good. Хорошо. Нормально. Okay. Нормально. Так себе. So. Так себе. You will hear this expression a lot in Russia. Very few things in Russian are black or white. We really like our gray area. So we have lots of words describing different shadows of it. You can use this expression так себе for anything. Do you like sushi? Так себе. Well, very few Russians would actually say that about sushi, since it is one of the most common street foods in Russia. Do you like Korean cars? Так себе. Do you like Bollywood films? Так себе. How do you like this dancer? Так себе. Next. Плохо. Bad. Плохо. And the last one. Кошмар. A nightmare. Кошмар. Again, use it for anything you don't like. Do you like this dress? Ой, кошмар. I made this new cocktail. What do you think? Фу, кошмар. Did you notice these little interjections I used? Ой, фу. We love those little words that help us express emotions. And we have loads of them. Ой expresses surprise or annoyance. Ой. Фу expresses disgust. Фу. The last thing we need to talk about today is what to do in case someone asks you how you're doing. Of course, first you will respond, but then you need to ask the question too, right? You can simply use the ones we have already talked about. Как ты? Как у тебя дела? Or better yet, start them with the word а, which kind of means and in this case. А как ты? А как у тебя дела? That is it for today. До скорого! Всем пока!